Hello everybody. In today's video we're going to take apart this coating thickness tester and repair it and see what's inside. The reason it doesn't work right now is the tip here that's supposed to sense the material thickness has like a plunger on a spring, but it doesn't return back out, so I need to fix that. I think it's just some corrosion. We need to clean it, give it a little bit of oil. I got this oil here. And let's get started. See, we turn it on. Here's the display. I've already got my tools prepared. Well, hopefully we just only need this. Okay, we got all the obvious screws out, but it still seems difficult to open. Oh, there we go. Just be careful not to drop everything. Oh, there's some wire holding the back to the front. This could be a little bit of a problem. Oh, maybe we don't need to. So here's the bit, the important part. Senses the thickness. I think it's an ultrasonic sensor. And if you look right here, it's soldered into the board, so we can't even unplug it. Can we disassemble it?
Can I say hi?
Yeah, you can say hi. Oh, there's a spring. Oh, it slides out of here. Oh, perfect.
The spring!
So, there's just a little bit of corrosion here on the edge, which I think is making it get stuck in this barrel. So, just going to give it a little rub with the sandpaper and then a little tiny bit of oil, and I think that should fix it. Not too much. Slide that into here. Spring back in. There's a spring. Oh. And a screw. Okay, this is supposed to stick out. And then plunge back in as you push it against the surface. It's fixed. Now we just have to reassemble it. There. It's got a massive chip for such a kind of seemingly simple device. Okay, let's put a battery in and test it before we reassemble it. On. Need a piece of metal to test. Okay, it still turns on. Let's just test this computer here. Just push it against the surface, and then it says 36 micron. 35. Let's try this hard drive. Let's see what. Oh, CD drive. 26 micron. I have a painted surface here we can try. 66. Okay, so it's thicker than the anodizing. Okay, and then we put it back together. So I have to put the screws in. Job done. Turn off. Let's do a quick test. 48. 41. Oh no, it's still getting stuck. It's unfortunate. I'm gonna have to take it apart, sand it some more, and put it back together again. Oh well. And just do the inside of the barrel too, just a little bit. Clean. Drop of oil. Maybe I'm going to need a stronger spring to fix this guy. Seems to work now. I put the case on and it gets stuck. I think this wire is getting caught a little bit. Could be a little bit. Longer. It's okay now. Just move the wire sort of along this way. Okay, I think it's fixed this time. Oh, don't forget to put this USB cover back on. Test that again. Plunger's still working smoothly. It's good. It's not getting stuck. Okay. And that's it. It's fixed. Hopefully somebody got some use out of this information, and I'll see you next time.